Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video we are going to show you how to change the color of the sky in your image. You might have seen the teal and orange color grade in some of the images on Instagram and the viral photos around. So in this tutorial we are going to show you how to change or how to color grade your images like teal and orange color. So in this photo we have the color of sky and the color of the ground. So we have a bit of the orange tone in the ground, but we don't have the tone of the cyan or a teal in the sky. So for that I'm going to select first the adjustment tool, and here I'm going to select the hue and saturation option. So now you can see here we have a pick option. You can click and select that, and now whatever color you want to change, you just have to click on that specific color and all the color will be selected, and you can be shown under here that what range of color you have been or what range of color you have selected. So our color has started from around to the cyan to the from the pink to the almost cyan color. So I want more of the range of the color. Whether you have to select keep clicking so you can find more of the range color. So you can see the area is shifting here. Sorry for the noise outside. Or you can just manually select the range by click and drag the points here, and you can select the range of the colors you want. So the next step is changing the hue, and here we have the hue slide here. Just click and drag around where you can find the color or the tone of your choice. So I don't want to go to like the purple or the yellow tone, so I'm going to drag it left, and almost I'm going to be here, and here's the color that I want. It has a teal tone in it, but it looks more of a fake color. It gives extra HDR effect on that. So for that I'm going to decrease the saturation so that I can have more of a natural look to my image. Whether you can, it depends on the image you're grading. Sometimes you have to increase the saturation, but sometimes you just have to decrease the saturation so you can have the original looking color or a good tone to it. You can give a good tone to it, and also you can tweak the lightness. For instance, sometimes you have to increase the lightness, or for sometimes you have to decrease the lightness. You have to choose the point where the photo should look natural and should be natural but not fake. So I'm going to I'll give it a little bit dark effect, and this is the before and this is the after. For the ground also you can have the same effect. I'm going to select a new adjustment layer and hue and saturation. For that I'm going to select the pick tool here and click on the point or the part where I want to select the color. So you might see that I have selected the range of the color here. I can increase or tweak the colors that I want. So for that I'm going to change the hue. So I don't want to go to right for a greenish look, so it might look fake. So I'm going to the left. So I'm going to add a bit of the reddish tone on the ground. Also you can tweak the saturation. So I'm going to decrease the saturation here also, so it might look a bit of natural, and also the lightness. Here I don't think I have to select the lightness. I'm going to leave it to 0. Yeah, this is done, and this is the before and this is the after we have. So you can select, you can change, you can grade your images in this simple way. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and please share my videos to your friends, and also leave your precious comments to help me and support me so that I can have more of videos uploaded on my channel like this. Thank you and thanks for watching.